Hey there, here I'm going to show you hidden features in Reve AI, best AI image editor and generator. Now, this is helpful if you are using Reve AI. The first is here on the down section. You can see the toggle features. You can select each one by clicking on it like this. You can see, and then use it. Also, you can select another one like this. And here is the icon. This is a square icon. This is used to select where you want to edit or where you want to describe for the AI to edit it here like this. You can see. You select the area like this, select the area, and then describe here what you want to change it in the image or object here. But I'm not going to describe because there's more thing to show you guys. And here also here you can see this crayon icon here. You can see it. You can remove this one and then select it. Click on this crayon here, and then but before adding the crayon, remove this like this. Now here, add a crayon. This is a crayon icon here. This is the crayon. This is the eraser. Now here, to use the crayon here, click on it and then select the range you want it to be here. Then you can apply it like this, and see. And so you can change the crayon color here by clicking on it like this, and then select the color you want it to be like this here. You can select the primary color here and then select any color here to match the color you want it to be like this. You can see, and then go back like this by tapping on the screen like this. You can see the color is now dark gray here. You can also use this icon. This icon is called prompt box. By selecting the prompt box here, you can describe how you want the image to be here, and also add the color plate here. But this is used if you want to select the object and then describe how you want it to be here, what you want to see in the object here. And here also you can see the text here, the text icon here. Add text. You can describe how you want the text to be. You can see the text features. You can change the color here. You can select the style. You can see the features here. You can also here select the color here. You can see, select the color. You can also here move the text like this. You can see, and also you can reduce the size here, and also edit the text here by clicking on this edit here, and then describe what you want to see in the text like this. You can see, and then click on this good icon here. After describing what you want to see, you click on this good icon to save it here. Now here, after describing, what you do now is you tap on it. You know how to see this icons, toggle feature icon here. You can see it on the down section. Now here also you can see here, this icon is called the attachment icon here. This icon you can attach from the previous here. You can attach from the picture you upload here. Just for attachment, picture on the side, like a picture on the side like this. Let me use from the previous. You can see, select from the previous and then click on attach here. It will attach the previous. This feature is for editing it. You can select the aspect ratio, select the position here, set the position, select the rotation here. You can set even the blend here. You can see, select how you want it to blend here, and then also you can move it like this. You can see, you can move it. Now here, after attaching the picture, you can remove it like this. You can see. Now the third feature is here. It is called the background color changer icon here. Like this, you can change the background color. You can see many background color selection. You can see here. You can select anyone here, how you want it to be. You can select it by clicking on it like this, and then it will automatically apply here. You can also set it here, the feature. You can also revise it if you want to revise it by clicking this icon here. That's how to create. Now the second icon here is the focus frame, focus icon here. You can see the focus. Now here also, you can also here with this feature, you can also select the raise shutout here. So how do you want the image to come out? Here you can select the layout here, how you want the layout to be. If you want it to be in, you can see the aspect ratios if you want it to be in. You can also add your own here by clicking on add new here. You can see now here, after selecting this here, you can remove it by clicking this icon again. It will restore back. Now here also you can go to the previous image. When you start up previous image, this is one secret hidden feature which people don't know. Here like this, go to the previous one, the origin here, based on the level of your editing and applying here. The previous one is the origin image which you start the editing. The second one is the applied editing. Second one is the third apply editing here. Now after editing everything, what you do now is to click on this apply. Also you can find the album here by clicking here. Find your album here is where you see all the editing you have done in Reve AI. Is where you see it. You can also delete each album here by pressing on it here and then click on delete. You can see how you can set the album here. You can see it, even rename it here. You can delete it like this and then click on delete. Build up this and then click on delete. And here you can see the album is out now. Now each album has each applied editing layer like this. You can see here each one has its applied editing here layer. This is the origin, this is the applied editing layer, this is the last applied editing layer, which is process of your editing. Here is arranging an album. Here you can see that's what you do now is to click on anyone to start up the editing from that layer or from that process again. You can see now here this icon here also is used for generating image. Here is here I'll show you how to generate an image. Here what you do now is to click on this apply here. What to apply the changes you have done in the image, or apply the editing you have done in the image. Here you can see how it look after it's applied. You can see the Reve AI also add up some edit to the image now to make everything standard. Here you can see, and here you can see the editing layer have add up here. You can see it now has 4 layer add up here. You can see the previous one. You can see the add up editing layer. So if you found this video helpful, this is the hidden feature in Reve AI. Like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more Reve AI updates and also for more helpful tech tutorial. See you on the next video. Peace.